Tupac murder trial. 30 years later, after Tupac's death, this guy, by bragging in his memoirs and his books, trying to make money, has basically admitted to killing Tupac. The judge has sat the jury, but the big part of this is they tried to move to exclude those past statements, and the judge denied it. So the prosecution will now come in, say we have admissions against him, we have admissions in the book, we have admissions in the police report. Think of it in terms of evidence. Evidence is all ruled by either procedures or an evidence code, right? What is the evidence code? What are the rules of procedures? Talk about hearsay. Is this statement going to be able to not be used for purposes of charging me with a crime? The police can do anything they want. It's whether they can convict you of the crime. It's because it's his own statement. It's his own admission. This isn't a third party making it. This guy says, I've said this is almost like an autobiography. So the judges, keep in mind's role in any criminal, civil, family law, whatever context, is to call balls and strikes. The prosecution brings the charge, the defense defends against it. You're supposed to play the game pursuant to rules. The judge interprets those rules, balls and strikes. So let's say you want to get an admission, and judge, I think it's an admission. That's the objection. Those are the motions to say, no, it's an admission, no, it's hearsay, or there's an exception to the hearsay rule here, judge, i.e. it's an admission by the party proponent, it's coming in before the jury. Here, what the prosecution is saying is that they have more than one admission against Mr. Davis. One includes his book, includes what he says in there, and the judge has said it's coming in. What's Davis going to say? What's his defense? I made it all up. I was a publicity hound. I was looking for money. None of this was true. I wasn't even there at the time, but you're really reconstructing. One of the biggest, craziest defenses one time to a DUI charge was the girlfriend came in and said, yeah, well, he wasn't drunk at the time. We were actually having sex while I was driving. And the jury was like, well, hold on. Were you drunk or were you having sex? Did your girlfriend right now just come in order to try to save you at the last second? And the crazy part, in my scenario, the jury didn't buy it. The jury said, no, I think you brought this girlfriend in to come lie for you now. And they didn't buy this defense. It's going to be for the jury to weigh. But nonetheless, what a spectacle. If I was a prosecutor, I would be telling old Dwayne here to keep his head up.